I'm here with my daughter Eden, and we're gonna go on a bike ride to Sea Scape, get some coffee, and see how active the Santa Cruz Trail is today. So I just typed in Sea Scape into my maps, and it turns out that there is no pedestrian route between Selva Beach and Sea Scape. Even though we're neighbors, there's nothing that connects these two communities. We've made it back to La Selva, and I think we counted maybe 15 people utilizing the corridor. It's easy to imagine how many hundreds of people utilize the corridor every day for leisure or transportation. I think with this information, I think it's an easy case to make that we need to invest in our corridor and make active transportation a reality in this community and connect our coastal neighborhoods. That's all.